Hello, Guido here from Block Builders, and I want to show you guys today how you can buy Coinbase Pre-IPO stocks. As you might know, Coinbase is the biggest or one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. They have over 30 million customers. And when it comes to fiat trading, so Bitcoin against USD or Bitcoin against Euro, it's probably the biggest in the world. And as you may have heard, they plan to go public in 2021, so this year. And you can already trade pre-IPO contracts. So pre-IPO contracts are basically contracts that where you can bet on the value of the stock later on. So basically, if the stock goes live on the exchange, the pre-IPO contracts will reach that value of the stock. And the place to do that is on FTX. So FTX is one of the biggest exchanges or cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. And since a few weeks, you can also trade stocks there. And if you don't have an FTX account yet, you can just use that link down in the description to sign up. And with that link, you will actually save 5% on fees. In order to sign up, you just need to leave your email address there, and then you can create an account. It's pretty easy, actually. However, if you want to withdraw more than 1,000 USD, you need to also leave your address there. And you can also deposit and withdraw fiat currencies like US dollar. And in order to do that, you need a proof of address and a recent bank statement. That's for Tier 3 KYC requirements. You can decide on your own which one you want to use. Usually it's enough to have like the second tier. Sometimes also the first tier is enough. You have to decide on your own. So let's move on. In order to start trading there and to buy pre-IPO contracts, you need to deposit some money. There are several ways to do that. You could either deposit USD, so US dollar or euros. However, in order to do that, you need the level 3 verification. If you don't want to do that, you can only deposit cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, for example. And that's fairly easy. You just click on deposit, and then they show you an address that you can use to send your Bitcoins to. And then you will get a mail that they have received your Bitcoins and that you can trade with that now. So usually it takes no longer than 30 minutes. And from the moment you send your Bitcoins or your cryptocurrencies until the moment where you can actually trade with them. So that's fairly quick. And once you have done that, you need to trade them against USD in order to buy the pre-IPO contract, Coinbase contracts. So you can just do that here under BTC and then the spot market where you can exchange BTC for USD. Next thing we want to do is, I already did that here. Next thing we want to do is now we want to buy the pre-IPO contracts. So in order to do that, we click here on CBSE. So that's Coinbase pre-IPO contract. And you can see one contract is currently traded at 300 US dollar. And as you can see, they have 250 million contracts, so you can just multiply that price and with the 250 million and you get the market cap that Coinbase is currently, or the pre-IPO contracts are currently traded. So next thing we have to do is we can just do a market or limit order here. So example, if we do a market order, the market order will be filled immediately to the best price available. If we want to buy one Coinbase pre-IPO contract, the best price here would be 299 USD. So we would get one contract for that price. All we have to do now is you also need to sign an agreement here. That's with a German group, because the contract is covered by a German equity group, so it's just for legal reasons. So you have to sign up for that as well. and then they check your data, and usually they approve it within a few days. So you need to do that as well. And then you can just buy and just leave it in your account, and then you will see how the price change. And let's assume on the day of the IPO, the stock goes up to $400 US. That would basically mean that the price of the Coinbase of that contract here would also go to $400, because it's then bounded to the price of the pre-IPO or to the stock. So that's basically it. If you have any questions about it, please feel free to use the comments down below. And if you don't have a FTX account yet, please feel free to use my link to save 10% or 5% on fees. Thanks for watching. And if you like that video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thanks.